Worried about your security in Los Angeles? You're not alone. Every day, countless people in this city experience the same feeling. The unsettling sensation of a shadowy figure lurking around a residence, the shock of returning to a car only to discover a shattered window, the frustration of a broken lock on an office door that should be the last line of defense. These are not just nightmares, but realities that many face, stirring up a sense of vulnerability that no one should have to endure. In a city as vast and diverse as Los Angeles, the need for dependable security solutions is paramount. Solutions that are not just efficient, but trustworthy, not just responsive, but reliable. Whether you're a homeowner who has just experienced a break-in, a business owner left stranded with a faulty lock after a long day's work, or a young adult feeling unsafe due to a broken car lock, your concerns are valid, and they demand immediate attention. What if there was a solution that could address all these concerns? A solution that not only understood the unique security challenges of Los Angeles, but was designed to tackle them head-on. A solution that could provide you with the peace of mind you so rightly deserve? Let's introduce you to National Locksmith Directory, your key to complete peace of mind. A platform that brings together a diverse range of residential, commercial, and auto locksmiths all under one digital roof. A platform that is powered by advanced AI technology to provide you with a user-friendly interface and an efficient search filtering system. A platform that is designed to cater to your specific locksmith needs no matter where you are in Los Angeles. With National Locksmith Directory, you're not just securing your property, you're securing your peace of mind. Meet John, a homeowner frustrated after a break-in. He'd always thought his neighborhood was safe, but now he's left feeling exposed and unsure. He wants to secure his home, but he doesn't know where to start. He's not alone. Meet Lisa, a business owner who's been struggling to find a reliable locksmith after hours. Her store was broken into and she's desperate to get her locks fixed, but she can't find anyone to come out at this late hour. The city never sleeps, and neither do security problems. Now let's introduce you to Sam. He's a young adult whose car lock has been giving him trouble. It's an old model, and most locksmiths don't want to handle it. He's been locked out more than once, and each time it leaves him feeling stranded and helpless. These are real people dealing with real problems. They're just like you. Homeowners, business owners, car owners, trying to navigate through the maze of security issues that life throws at them. They want to feel safe. They want to trust that their property is secure. But they're feeling vulnerable and they're not sure where to turn for help. John, Lisa, Sam, they're all looking for a solution, a way to restore their peace of mind. They need a reliable, trustworthy service that can address their security concerns, be it for their home, their business, or their car. They need someone who understands their problems and can provide them with the right solutions. Does this sound like your story? There is a solution. Welcome to the National Locksmith Directory. Our mission? To provide you with seamless access to trusted and reliable locksmith services in Los Angeles, no matter when you need them. But how do we do this, you ask? The answer lies in the power of cutting-edge technology. We employ the most advanced artificial intelligence to offer you a smooth and user-friendly experience. Imagine a digital map of Los Angeles, each point of light representing a certified locksmith ready to assist you. With our AI-powered search filters, you can effortlessly locate the locksmith services you need right where you need them. Whether you're looking for residential, commercial, or auto locksmith services, our platform has it all. Stuck with a faulty car lock in the middle of the night? Our AI filters will guide you to the nearest auto locksmith. Need a lock replacement for your home or office? Just enter your location and service requirements, and our system will do the rest. The beauty of the National Locksmith Directory lies in its simplicity. It's designed to take away the stress and uncertainty of finding a reliable locksmith. We understand how crucial security is to you, and we strive to ensure that our platform is your go-to solution for all your locksmith needs. So why wait? With the National Locksmith Directory, your security is only a click away. Why choose National Locksmith Directory? Now that's a question worth answering. Let's dive into the benefits that make this platform stand out. Firstly, the National Locksmith Directory harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to provide you with a streamlined, user-friendly experience. Picture this. You enter your address and the AI swiftly recommends nearby qualified locksmiths. No more endless searching or second guessing. Isn't that a breath of fresh air? Then you select a service, let's say you're locked out of your car. The AI instantly provides estimated response times and pricing. So, you know exactly what to expect and when. It's like having a personal security consultant right at your fingertips, and there's more. You can browse through locksmith profiles, all verified professionals, but here's the kicker. The AI offers reviews and ratings powered by real customer experiences, so you're not just relying on a star rating, but actual feedback from people just like you. Now let's talk about efficiency. The National Locksmith Directory isn't just a list, it's a comprehensive platform designed to save you time and stress. It's all about getting you the help you need fast, because when it comes to security, we know every second counts. Convenience is our middle name. Whether you're a homeowner in need of a residential locksmith, a business owner seeking a commercial locksmith, or a motorist requiring an auto locksmith, we've got you covered. The National Locksmith Directory is your one-stop security solution. And finally, our local focus. We understand the unique security challenges faced by residents and businesses in Los Angeles. That's why the National Locksmith Directory is populated by diverse Los Angeles-based locksmiths. We believe in supporting local professionals who know your area best. Efficiency, convenience, local. That's the National Locksmith Directory promise. And we stand by this promise, committed to offering you a seamless, reliable, and efficient service that meets your security needs. Because your peace of mind is our priority. But we offer more than just locksmith services. We understand that security is a multifaceted concept. That's why at National Locksmith Directory, we've rounded out our offerings to ensure you have a comprehensive security solution at your fingertips. Let's dive into the additional services you can find on our platform. First up, we have Google Maps Optimization. This service ensures that your business location is accurately represented on Google Maps. It's a critical aspect of modern security, allowing first responders to locate your property swiftly in case of an emergency. Next, we offer website development and marketing services. In today's digital age, having a secure and professional online presence is just as important as physical security. We can help you build a resilient, user-friendly website that effectively communicates your brand and services. And with our marketing services, we'll help you reach your target audience effectively and securely. Optional services include security camera installation and security guard services. These are for those who want an added layer of protection. Our network includes professionals who can install state-of-the-art security cameras to monitor your premises round the clock. And if you're looking for a physical presence to deter potential threats, our security guard services can provide just that. Each of these services is designed to complement our locksmith offerings, providing you with a full spectrum of security solutions. Whether you're a homeowner looking to secure your family, a business owner safeguarding your assets, or someone just wanting peace of mind, you'll find what you need on National Locksmith Directory. National Locksmith Directory, your complete Los Angeles security partner. Ready to secure your home, business, and car? We know that security is a priority, and we're here to help you achieve it. Our National Locksmith Directory is your one-stop solution to all your security needs. From residential to commercial and even auto locksmith services, we've got you covered. Visit our website and explore a plethora of security solutions tailored to your specific needs. With our advanced AI-powered search feature, you can easily find professional locksmiths in and around Los Angeles. Whether you need an emergency locksmith after hours or you're looking for someone to fix a faulty car lock, we have it all listed in one place. Our user-friendly interface makes it easy for you to navigate through our directory and find exactly what you're looking for. And the best part, you can read reviews and see ratings of our listed locksmiths, helping you make an informed decision. But that's not all. If you're more comfortable talking to someone, don't hesitate to give us a call. Our team is always ready to assist you in securing your world. We understand that seeing is believing. So why not check out our Facebook page? You can see customer reviews and photos to get a better idea of how we've helped others just like you secure their homes, businesses, and cars. So why wait? Visit our site or call us now. You have nothing to lose and a whole lot of security to gain. Remember, with the National Locksmith Directory, you're not just finding locksmiths, you're finding peace of mind. Secure your world with National Locksmith Directory today. Remember, security is not a luxury, it's a necessity. We live in a world where the unexpected can happen at any moment. But with the National Locksmith Directory at your fingertips, you can rest easy. Our comprehensive directory features only the most reliable and experienced locksmiths in Los Angeles, whether it's for your home, your business, or your car. We're here to provide you with the security solutions you need when you need them. Plus, with our additional services like Google Maps, optimization, website development and marketing, and optional security camera installation and security guard services, we're your complete Los Angeles security partner. So remember, when it comes to your safety and peace of mind, trust the National Locksmith Directory. National Locksmith Directory, your key to complete peace of mind.